Got some bits of the Breville off. This isn't really, not really good enough, is it? Really, come on. Had to use a claw hammer to get this far. Looks like I might have to get even more inventive now. The handle's come off. This is just an utter failure. My faith in trend has completely evaporated, I'm afraid. I will not buy another item from you at all. Lost a customer. Happy with that. That's not been a problem, but I don't think you made it, did you? You might have stuck your badge on there, but I don't think you actually made it, did you?